Good evening, teacher. My name is Caxiro Venezuela, and the objective of the laboratory 2 is about design mechanical vehicle elements from a PIC in the plane or given problem. Well, in the step 1, we can see the information of the bow in this part, that is suspension, front suspension part right. Well, in this uh, in this step we modify general part in this option. What is flexible body modify? In this block puts information to the laboratory. Well, in this picture we can see the compartment of the part to suspension. Well, in this post procession we can see the two variables, that is tracing wheel load, longitudinal braking, and wheel travel base, two two parts, base left and base right. In this picture we can see the similar comportment. Well, in the first question is about from the results obtaining is, can we have similar response between suspension or any subsystem with flexible parts and rigid parts? Well, yes, it's similar. We cannot say that the result obtained from the suspension system is similar to another flexible or rigid system. Well, the abbreviation that they have when the wheels can be contact with the ground, and these two conditions are not transmitted to the frame. Well, two question is about, how does vehicle suspension work during a static condition and a dynamic condition? Well, for example, in the first condition is static condition, taking into account static analysis and static charges. That is, any static component with the vehicle exerts a direct or indirect force on the suspension of the vehicle. In this condition, we can see the formula, the equilibrium equation is given by the following formula. Well, in two condition, in the second condition, is about dynamic analysis. The effects of inertia are considered, and the response varies with respect to time. In this condition, in this formula, we can see the three vectors are taken, with which are acceleration, velocity, and displacement. The following formula to find the equilibrium equation for infinity steps system. Well, in the third question, what is the difference between a shock absorber and a strut? And we can see in the picture the two components, how that a shock absorber and the strut. In the shock absorber are affect for the absorber the impacts of the moment of the car during the trip. They are the ones that help your car keep back into position after hitting a puddle of dirt, while the struts are made of the position and the portions of the car's suspension system. They contain the spring seats, strut bearings, shock absorbers, and the steering column. Well, thanks.